Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I've got a great blueberry dessert recipe that everybody's going to love. Also, July is National Blueberry Month. We're going to make blueberry crumble. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, going to be loaded with fresh blueberries, and we're going to top it with a buttery, crisp oatmeal topping. And it would be the perfect end to a summer's meal. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, shrimp and okra with sausage, aka shrimp creole. I'll post the link to that down in the description box below. So grab your pie plate, your blueberries, and your oatmeal sugar, because we're about to bake some blueberry crumble magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our blueberries. In my large bowl, I have 2 pints of fresh blueberries, and then 2 our blueberries. We're going to add in 2.5 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of kosher salt. We're also going to add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, which is half of a large lemon. Give it a stir until it's well incorporated. We're going to create a glaze. Be careful not to bust the blueberries. Alrighty, our blueberries are done. We got a nice glaze. Now we are going to pour it into our pie plate. We are going to pour it in the ungreased 9-inch pie plate. Spread it evenly. And make sure you get that glaze. Alrighty, now we are going to set the blueberries aside while we work on our oatmeal crumble topping. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a pinch of kosher salt and 3/4 of a cup each of all-purpose flour and old-fashioned rolled oatmeal. Next, we're going to add in our sugars, 1/4 of a cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. Now we're going to add in our spices, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And last but not least, 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. Stir until it's well combined. It will be moistened and crumbly. Alright, my friends, our topping is done. See how moist and crumbly it is? That's exactly what we want. Perfect. Now we're going to sprinkle it on top of our blueberries. And that's it, my friends. How simple and easy was that? We are ready to put it in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. Going to let it bake for 35 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Blueberry crumble. Don't that look good? I just taken it out of the oven. Our topping is golden brown and the blueberries are juicy and thickened. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. You don't want to dig in right away. Let it cool for 10 minutes, and after that, I'll fix me up a plate and give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my plate right here, and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and some blueberries on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. The crumble is crunchy, and I can taste the spices. The blueberries are perfectly cooked, full of flavor. This blueberry crumble is incredible, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm gonna grab me some ice cream. Yum-o. Blueberry crumble-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.